Hey guys, today we are going to unbox the Ophelia Core Box. Like that. So let's have a look at what's inside it. So this is the Ophelia Core Box. It's obviously Bayou, and her keyword is kin. So let's open up and have a look. So, but before that actually, the front you can see the artwork of her and her family. And on the back, we see what we're going to get inside it. We've got Ophelia, Francois, 3 of the Raiders, and 3 of the young ones. So there should be 8 minis in here. All right, let's open it up and have a look. This is the fun part. I do like that. This was actually a Christmas present from my partner, which is super nice. She listens to what I want. All right, so inside we have some sprues. Okay, this sprue, it focuses on it. Don't know if you can see that, but that is the Lacroix Raiders. I think that is all 3 of them. So those don't look too bad to put together. They look like they're pretty well connected. Not like the iron skeeters that I did for Captain Zip. Those were a bit of a nightmare. Okay, what do we have on this other sprue? Okay, we've got Francois and Ophelia up here. All right. Then we have young Lacroix, number 1. I'm guessing, and we have the other 2 younglings here. Cool, so that is all 6 of our minis. No, 8. 8 out of our minis. We have our bases. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 30mm bases, which seems right, because I think they're all 30mm minis, and there's 8 of them, so the math checks out. What else we have in here? We have the cards, so let's have a look at that. All right, so we have an upgrade card, which is Tar Bomb. Obviously you can see all these cards on the Malifaux app in more detail, so I'm not going to go through all the stats and stuff. So we have Hooch Igniter, Firecracker something, Slingshot, Cleanup Duty. All right, so those are the upgrades. I think they're all specific to Ophelia, and that's why they come in the Ophelia Core Box, which is nice. Now we have Ophelia herself. We have Francois. We have the 3 Raiders here. So you can see that each card has different artwork, but the stats are all the same. And so the different artwork matches the 3 different minis that you get. So you can match the actual card to the mini on the table, which is pretty handy. And we've got the 3 younglings, and that's the same again. You get the 3 bits of artwork for the 3 minis on the table. Cool. So that's what you get in the box. You get the sprues, you get the bases, and you get the cards for the models, as well as the upgrades that are specific to Ophelia. You don't get the build instructions in the box. Those are on the weird website. I will have a link in the description below to that. And also, if you want some tips for assembling Malifaux minis, then I'll have a link to my video on 7 tips for assembling Malifaux minis in the description below as well. All right, thanks for watching. Have a good one. Cheers.